Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn assignment operators. So let's simply, this lecture is making a very simplification of this lecture. Let's see. First, I will explain you what is assignment operator. So the assignment operator will help us to know very easily this equal to will be called as assignment operator. Very simple. So this operator using, we are assigning data items and data values to a variable. Clear? Now let's see. With the help of assignment operator, how we are going to adding values to a particular variable. Keep on adding the things maybe happens. Let's see how it is possible. Let a equal to 10 means we are going to assigning a value of 10 to the a variable. So if I see the output, we are getting 10 as an output, like value, data value. So this is the code part area, this is the editor we are seeing like output, the browser. Most of the persons who knows from the beginning who are observing the lectures. Clear? Now let's see. If I am keep on adding more 5 or numbers, anything, a plus equal to some number from more 4 I'm adding. Let's see what happens. Plus equal to is also as an addition of assignment operator. Plus equal to. So let's see what happens now. Reload. 14 it is loading. How simply it is. If I'm adding number like 8 or something, 18 it would be. So this assignment operator will automatically add the values to the existing variable value. Similarly, the operator subtractor is also there. Subtraction. So the minus, save it, reload, 2 we are getting. So the subtraction is happening from the already existing value which is already available inside the variable. Similarly, we have more options of the multiplication. Yes, instead of star, we need to remove, instead of hyphen, we need to remove and put the star mark and reload the page. 80, 8 tens are 80. So the existing variable, its place. This is also assignment operator. And division, yes, it's also applicable. Yes, greatly we are using. And more, if you need more exploring the operators of the arithmetic operators to making as an assignment operator, you may try yourself. Alright, we'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.